Today we're having a look at Keis's newest product, their heated cushion. Now instead of just here at Camberley showing you how it works and what it does, we thought we'd let Addison from Keis, the head of marketing, run you through it. So let's go on the road with him. So you might notice this is a very familiar spot from our video that came out earlier this week. I'm with Addison again, and like we said in the beginning of this video, we have the new Keis Heated Cushion. Now the keen-eyed of you might have seen it in the other video, but he was sitting on it, so maybe not. And I was also using one, but I was behind the camera, so you couldn't really see it. I'm gonna hand this over to him, and he's gonna pretty much explain everything to you. I'll ask a few questions in the meantime, but yeah, let us know what it's about.
Sure. So this is something that's been in development for a little while. We've been very excited to be able to release it. You may have seen little hints, as you say. I was riding on it on the way here. But this is our brand new heated seat cushion, and it's pretty much exactly what it says it is. We've used kind of established air technology for the seat. It's medical grade. It's highly tested, so it is proven to be more comfortable and better for you while you're riding. But we've taken that and implemented a heating element onto the top of it. So this whole top surface, there's two large heating elements that go down the middle, and they take up the most of the space. And it's got the same 3 heat levels that you can see on all of our other garments, using a flap just down on the side. So on your clutch hands, you're able to go down to it without affecting your ride. And it's just neatly placed right behind your leg, so it's super easy to access as well. But this retails at £100, so it's the kind of entry level to heated seats without going for a fully custom version, or without going for something that's not going to bring you the same quality that you'd hope to see.
Yeah, I can't agree more. Like on the way here, the button that you used, I couldn't stop saying, wow, that's easy to reach. I'm quite a big guy, and I could still reach back and press the button and turn it off and use the modes without thinking about it too much. I have to say, it does get very warm. I was the only person not wearing heated gear today. Very cold. The previous video on Wednesday might have been a bit shaky, and that's the reason. But yeah, it is a very warm seat cushion, and it uses air, so it doesn't use an actual cushion, right? You pump it up with something that you get with it. Do you want to just show that off?
Yeah, so on the inside, this is a kind of new technology that we've established for this product. It's got a dual air bladder. So essentially, in the market you'll currently find ones that are just a single bladder the whole way across. The difference that you'll find there is the air can move between the whole thing. So if you rock to one side, like let's say you're going around a corner, you'll feel the air transfer between both sides of your body, so it can feel quite unstable. This is using a dual bladder technology, therefore each side has its own air pocket. So once you've set the level that you need for your ride, the air doesn't move around as much. So it moves forwards and back, but it doesn't really move side to side. So you get a little bit extra stability, but it doesn't affect your comfort in any way either. But yeah, it's using these big pockets that fill up with air, and then once you've adjusted it to your ride, then it's supposed to be, if you imagine a seat that's kind of curved over the top, it kind of flattens that out, so it brings the sides up, and therefore it's much better for both your posture and just for your own kind of comfort. Yeah, cool. I can attest that. It is very comfortable. My seat is already pretty comfortable because I'm on a Bandit, so it's got a very plush cushion on it, but this does add a little bit extra, and I could definitely see myself going quite a long way using the seat and keeping my butt nice and warm. But that pretty much... So we're back at Camberley now after the ride with Addison. As you might be able to tell, it is a different day. I'm now clean shaven, and I also have a different shirt on. We're going to show you how to quickly install the Keis Heated Cushion, just so you're able to get it on your bike. It is a relatively easy process, and obviously you need the cushion, as well as, where have I put it? It's on the floor, one sec. You need the cable system. Now I've already got it installed on the bike, I'm just going to run you through it. It's like every other piece of Keis heated gear. It just runs to your battery and then a plug for the heated seat. Now this is the same as you'd use for the jacket, so if I take my seat off, you see that I have the cable here. Now it's connected into my battery, so negative goes on negative, positive goes on positive, and then I've routed mine through on the other side, of course, through this bit here, so it's actually quite nice and tucked away. To put the seat on itself, you get your said seat, find the front of your seat. There is some tabs that come off. Not 100% sure what the technical term is for these, but you face the front forwards, wrap this around your seat like so, and then clip it on. Same thing for the back, come round, and then goes on.
Now these are stretchy, but you can adjust them. They've already adjusted for my seat. Then just move it to where you want it. Seat goes back on. I'm not going to put it on properly because I'm going to take this off in a second, but seat goes back on, and then you now on this side have a connector and it plugs right in. That's pretty much the install for the video. There is 3 different heat modes, and if I take the seat off, or actually you'll be able to see on here, on the side of the seat where you sit, just behind where your leg is, you have this button here. So this is what controls everything. So this will go on. Let's see if I can plug it in. So that will plug into the side there. And then you hold it to turn it on. Red is the highest setting, yellow is the middle setting, and green is the low setting. And then it just cycles through those. It's a very simple process. You now have your heated cushion on the bike. If you've got any questions, let us know in the comments down below. Hope you like the video, subscribe, ride safe, and we'll see you all soon.